Y'all, it's your girl Jack from Celadon's Fresh Market. We out here on the patio. You can see our kale. It's huge. And I planted more kale. And lettuce. So we got a lot that has budded up and sprouted up, y'all. Come over here. I don't see anything happening. Yeah, I see a little bud right there. It's to the right in our Thai basil bowl. Nothing is happening over there. Got some lavender right here in this little container. Got something budding up right there in that container. These are like wildflowers, I believe, y'all. These are all wildflower containers. Our cilantro is looking pretty bad, but it's all good. Here, I don't see anything popping up. What do we plant here? I think we planted some okra. I don't see nothing popping up yet, y'all. We got some things popping up over here in this bed. As y'all can see, got a bunch of stuff popping up in this bed as well. I'm pretty sure this is some garlic I planted, y'all. A few months ago I planted some garlic bulbs, so I got some garlic growing. Over here I believe I planted some tomatoes. Those are tomatoes or something that are popping up. I don't know, we'll see what happens. So, all good vegetables. These are our Swiss chard bowls. I see one little Swiss chard plant looks like it's popping up. It's sprouting up over there. I don't see nothing in this Swiss chard bowl yet, y'all. Planted some seeds here, but I don't see anything yet. Got some things popping up here. Some green onion. Going good. That green onion I think I planted like 2 years ago and it keeps coming back. Under the bell, y'all. Got a bean plant. Either that's a cucumber plant or a squash plant, but it's looking pretty decent. Looking pretty decent. I'm gonna plant something over here, y'all. So what is it? This is cayenne. That's a cayenne. I think this is a pepper ball, jalapeno pepper and cayenne pepper ball. And you can see that's a hot pepper plant. I planted last year. I took it in the house and brought it back outside. Still doing good. Still growing green. So yeah, y'all. We outside on the porch. Oh, y'all, and I did put the trellis together. Y'all can see that trellis is huge. I'll show y'all. It goes like high as the house. The trellis is gonna work out well for the beans. It's your girl Jack, Celadon's Fresh Market. And I'll catch y'all on the next video. Bye.